Microsoft Teams meeting with audio over the phone. When you join a meeting in Microsoft Teams, you will see several configuration options for that meeting. If you want your audio to be heard over the phone, you must choose the phone audio option. When this option is selected, press the Join Now button. A box will automatically appear for you to enter the number you want to Microsoft Teams to call you at. Then press the Call Me button or press your favorite number. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.